I'm doing what any citizen in the state of Virginia could do in their city, is to do a ride along with the police department. Anybody over 18, all you got to do is apply and they'll set you up for a day to ride along. I've had a wonderful time riding along with Officer Castillo here today in Virginia Beach. I learned a lot. I learned to appreciate the complexity and the skills it takes to be a good police officer, as Officer Castillo obviously is, and the challenges that the community gives to the police and other first responders. I encourage you to do it wherever you live, in Norfolk, Virginia Beach, or wherever. It's just to take a day and ride along with the police. And I think you'll understand why they are so important to the security and well-being of our communities, why they deserve our support. So God bless the Virginia Beach Police Department.